Top 6 products for enhancing your car. Autodoc. 1. Steering wheel covers. If the steering wheel is looking shabby, there's no rush to replace it. You can get a steering wheel cover instead. This can improve or transform the appearance of the steering wheel in under a minute and with minimal effort. 2. Shift knobs. The gear shift knob wears out over time, which is especially the case in manual vehicles. There's a simple solution for this. It can easily be replaced along with the gaiter. There are many models available, made from different materials with a variety of shapes. 3. Seat covers. Seat covers can give your car's interior a completely different look, freshening it up or making it cozier. Many of these products are inexpensive, yet can transform your car's interior beyond recognition. The covers are also practical. They protect the upholstery from dirt and wear and tear. 4. Mats. Do your mats make your car's interior look worse and no longer effectively protect the floor from moisture and dirt? It's time to replace them. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. 5. Exhaust tips. A new tip makes the car look much better from behind. Six. Wheel covers. Do your car wheels have ugly steel rims? Don't rush into buying alloy rims. You can save a lot of money by using wheel covers. They conceal the imperfections of the standard wheels perfectly and look really stylish. The covers vary in design, and there are many options to choose from. Share which ones you would choose in the comments. Watch our videos and find out how to maintain your car without spending a ton of money. Subscribe to the Autodoc channel so you don't miss out on useful information.